Looking for Müller. Brilliant pass there. Great opportunity.
Oh, there's no goalkeeper, but he's done well to get it in from that range.
Gonna cross it in towards Mandzukic.
Oh, that's what we've come to see. That's a brilliant goal.
That should be the moment to wrap it all up. Brilliant performance, and now the just rewards of the title are within touching distance.
Well, it's
Cristiano Ronaldo.
It's going to be a goal, surely. What a chance! And it's put in by Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, in goes the cross. And it's in! The header! Great goal!
Here's the shot. Well, they've done it. They've won it. A victory here today gives them the trophy, gives them the right to call themselves the champions this season.
Yeah, and if you're going to win... Final score, 3-1. I'll leave you with the full match highlights, and until next time, I've been...